everyone, this is Lady Trader. Today, I'll show you one of the fastest growing no KYC crypto exchanges, WEEX. More and more traders are moving to platforms like these for one simple reason: speed, liquidity, and control over their funds. In this video, you'll learn everything step by step: how to create an account, how to deposit funds, how to trade spot and futures, and how to manage your positions. Let's start with the basics. WEEX is a crypto exchange focused on derivatives and futures trading, but it also supports spot trading, passive income tools, and portfolio diversification. What makes it stand out is its fast execution, high liquidity, and simple interface. Now, let's set everything up. Go to the platform and click Sign Up. Enter your email and create a strong password. Confirm your registration with the verification code. Next, security. This step is critical. Go to the account settings and enable Google Authenticator. Scan the QR code and link it to your device. Now, your account is protected. Next, funding your account. Go to Deposit, choose your asset, for example, USDT. Select the correct network. This is extremely important. If the network doesn't match, your funds can be lost. Copy the address or scan the QR code and send your crypto. Once confirmed, your balance will appear. You can also buy crypto using a bank card or supported payment methods. Now, before trading futures, you need to transfer funds. Go to Assets, Transfer. Move funds from spot wallet to futures wallet. Now you're ready to trade. Let's start with futures. Go to the futures section. Select a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. You'll see the chart, order book, and order panel. Before placing a trade, you need to understand three key things: margin mode, leverage, and order type. Margin mode: isolated, limits risk to one trade. Cross uses your full balance. If you're a beginner, always use isolated. Next, leverage. You can adjust it here. Higher leverage means higher potential profit, but also higher risk. Start low. Now, choose order type, market, instant execution. Limit, set your own price. Enter your position size or use the percentage slider. You can also set take profit or stop loss. Click buy long or sell short to open your position. Once opened, you can track it in the positions tab. Here you'll see entry price, position size, margin, profit or loss. Now, let's look at spot trading. Go to the spot section. Choose a pair like BTC USDT. Click Buy to purchase or Sell to close your position. Spot trading is simple. You're buying real assets without leverage. Now, let's talk about copy trading. Go to Copy Trading and open the leaderboard. Here you can see trader performance, ROI, profit history. Choose a trader and click Copy. Set your investment amount and confirm. Their trades will be copied automatically. Next, passive income. Go to Earn. Here you can stake assets like BTC, ETH, or USDT. Choose flexible or fixed terms. Click Subscribe and confirm. This allows your assets to generate returns even when you're not trading. Finally, withdrawals. Go to Assets, Withdraw. Select your asset, enter the address, choose the correct network. Enter the amount and confirm. Always double-check everything. Crypto transactions cannot be reversed. To summarize, you now know how to create an account, secure it, deposit funds, trade spot and futures, and manage your positions. Start simple, manage your risk, and build your experience step by step. This is Lady Trader. See you in the next video.